Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and audience, my dear students. Welcome to my class. This is our third class, which is number of experiment 3. The name of the experiment is the study of diode clipping and clamping circuit. Basically, clipping means the portion will be clipped from somewhere, and clamping circuit means to shift from somewhere. Okay. This is the clamper circuit and this is the clipper circuit. Okay, now we are going to see this. This is the output signal of the clipper circuit. Clipper circuit just clip from this single portion. Okay, there are two types of clipper, positive clipper and negative clipper. This is a positive clipper circuit, but we also can develop the negative clipper circuit. Now we can see that our clipper and clamper circuit. For this circuit, we need diode 1N4001. We need a resistor, nothing else. First, we select our resistor and we select our diode here. We need a battery also. We need battery also, and this is connected to here. And also we have a sinusoidal signal and a ground. Ground will connect it to the battery and the actual system is connected here. We also need our oscilloscope to see that what is happening here. Think that this is a 10-volt supply and the frequency is 100 hertz. And now we're going to see that we're setting our offset value here, and our channel C and channel D is deactivated here. Sorry, channel C we need to on here, and we also deploy our same channel here. Okay, so what you are going to see here, that our positive half cycle, some portion are been cutted here, and the negative portion is same as well as the input signal. So this is the positive clipper circuit. We also develop the negative clipper circuit by just reversing our diode. Okay, see here, this is the negative clipper circuit, that the negative half cycle portion, some things are cutted here. If we see the actual difference level, sorry, okay, this is the actually DC offset voltage are same. So we see here that the negative half cycle portions are being cutted throughout the diode. That's why we can say that it is a negative clipper circuit. Okay, I show you both negative clipper circuit and positive clipper circuit. Now we have to develop our clamper circuit, which is different from it. Clipper circuit clip from one portion, but clamper circuit shift the total signal to positive half cycle or negative half cycle. So just wait and see. First, I am clearing all of the section here. Now I am taking our product. Now I am taking our product. Here is a diode. There is also positive clamper and negative clamper also. I need a resistor. I need AC sinusoidal power signal. I need ground as well as here. And now basically I need a capacitor. I need a capacitor to clip over some portion. Okay, so we are going to connect all of them element. Okay, our clamper circuit development has been finished, and now we see about what is going to working here. Okay, now we run this. The properties of our product, this is value of 10, and this is a pulse signal, which is low pulse is 0, high pulse is 10, and its frequency also 100 hertz. Okay, so we are using this, and our channel B and channel D are deactivated, and we perfectly shift our total system. So this is a negative clamper circuit. This circuit shifts the output shape from input shape to negative direction. The input signal positive magnitude are being shifted to down, and also the negative portion of the system shifted down. So this is a negative clamper circuit. Also we can develop positive clamper also. So this is all of our today's project. Thank you. I hope you better understand the system of clipper and clamper circuit and develop how to use them. Thank you. Most welcome to join with me.